Hold.
He's going under here.
Okay, just hold on. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm gonna shut that
Okay,
door.
here, hold on. Here, Mary. Here. Hold on. Okay. What's your name, doggy? Doggy. What's your dog name?
Lucky.
His name Lucky?
Uh-huh.
Lucky.
And he a little scared, but he likes to
Come on, Lucky.
Can I pick him up? Let me pick him up.
Yes, hold on. Put him on top of Mama. Okay, he on top of Mama's car. Don't let him fall off.
I'm not. I'm gonna stay out here.
You on Mama's car in the garage.
On this?
Okay.
Lucky.
He climbing on Mama's car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let me see it. I want to take a picture. Let me
Hold
hold
on.
it. Let me hold it.
You go over there where the dog at. I don't want him to get on my car. He getting on Mama's car.
Why?
Because I don't want to scratch my car up.
Why?
Lucky. Look at you, Lucky.
Sit.
Okay, what is your dog name?
Lucky.
All right.
And he's about to climb on my mommy's car and scratch it.
No, he ain't gonna scratch your mama car.
But you said
Let me get him off your mama car. Come on, Lucky.
you started it.
Come on.
You started it.
All right. All right.
Oh.
All right. Okay, you ready to walk your dog?
Yeah.
All right. Let's leave the garage. And you walk your dog. Come on. Oh, hold it. Let me let the garage door down. Hold. Come on, Lucky.
He's scared. No, you're not. No,
Come on.
you're not.
Come on. Come on.
They keep following me. Follow me. Let me hold him.
Okay, hold.
Okay.
All right, here.
Walk.
Let him go where he want to go. Just let him walk.
You hungry?
Let him go. Don't let the leash get underneath his leg. Stop eating that snow, Lucky.
He likes snow.
Yes.
I
Lucky,
don't-
stop eating that snow.
He likes snow.
Come on, let's get him away from the snow. No. He probably
Make you
wants
follow
some
me.
water. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Look at you, a little spicy. You a little feisty dog. Here.
Where's the dog?
Okay, rub your dog, Mary. Ah.
Go back. Sit.
Oh, he's sitting just like you told him to.
Sit, boy. I'm not gonna give you a treat if you do that.
Get his leash. Get his leash. You got it. Don't let his leash go.
Sit. Walk on me. Let's walk on me.
He ready to run. Don't you got to hold on to that leash, okay?
The ice is cold.
Okay, all right.
You took out.
Okay, come on. Let's Come on, Lucky. Let's go now. Cause you playing in this snow. You getting a little feisty. Come on, let's go in the house. Look, he chasing you. He chasing you, Meeri.
Hey, Lucky. Can't catch me. Look. Let me go up the stairs.
Okay, come on, Lucky. We going in the house. Come on. Go ahead. Open the door, Meeri.
I don't know how to open the door because I got my bug on.
Okay. Oh, it's locked. Hold on.
I know you say that. Look, he's saying. Lucky.
Okay. Come on, Lucky. Go ahead.
Walk.
Hold on. Come on.
Okay. Walk up the stairs.
Go ahead. Go up the stair. Go up there, Meeri. Hold on. This on his feet. Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. Come on.
Go ahead, Lucky. Come on.
Yay.
Okay, knock on the door. Meeri, smile. Look at the camera and smile. All right. Rub your dog. All right. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera, Meeri. Meeri, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Lucky.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye, honey.